back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're over here at Racey's Harley Davidson in Lapeer, Michigan, and we are dyno tuning my buddy's new 2022 Road Glide Special with that new 132 S&S big bore kit. So, without further ado, let's go inside. It's freaking cold out here. Once again, live in Michigan. It's like 30 degrees out and freezing out here talking, as you can hear by the wind. But let's go inside and check out the bike on the dyno. Got the snacks. Guys, I actually know this guy's name's Jim Frederick. He's the owner of Gauge Mods. So this is the guy who did the gauges in my Road Glide. So shout out to Gauge Mods. He's got a badass turbo Road King here. Check out the turbo hanging off the side of this thing. Unreal. Intercooler over here. Big old blow off valve. This bike's pretty nasty, guys. So the bike is in the dyno room right now. I'm gonna walk in the side door and show you guys the dyno. And there she is. 2022 Road Glide Special with the Apex colorway. Got the bike on the dyno now. Sorry, it might be hard to hear because the fan's in here, but we're gonna see what this thing makes today. What do you guys think it's gonna make for horsepower and torque? Alright guys, we're going to make the final dyno pull with the Road Glide S&S 132 kit. Let's see what she makes. guys, so we're taking off the air cleaner to see how much more power it makes without the air cleaner on there. The air cleaner that he's running might be a little restrictive, so we're about to find out now. Alright guys, so here's the final numbers. 131 and 148. Alright guys, so we just pulled the bike off the dyno. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys exactly what's done to this bike, since I didn't get to before I got here. So basically, this is a very similar build to my bike. It's got the new SNS 132 kit. It's got the SNS 475 C-Cam just like me. He's got the Fuel Moto RTX 2-in-1 jackpot just like me, but he's got the new version of it. And then he's got the K&N air cleaner on it. And then obviously it was just dyno tuned by Ray C's, by that guy right there. Shout out to Ray C's for hooking it up once again. As you can see here, he just put some thrash and T-bars on the bike as well the other day. This is a slightly different kit than mine. He kept the stock top tree and just had to cut his plastic gauge bezel out to fit the T-bars, but looks really nice, very clean. He's got a custom seat on here. It's a stock seat just wrapped to match the bike with the orange stripe. A couple other little extras on the bike, but yeah, bike made some good power today, guys, for just having that little small 475 cam in there, just like my bike. He's getting ready to put a new Metzler Cruise Tech tire on the bike, because obviously with the more torque, the stock tire is not going to put the power to the ground. So he's getting ready to put the new tire on it now. But yeah, just to clarify, this bike has stock heads and it's got that small 475 SNS cam in there with the new SNS 132 kit. Alright guys, Jim got the tire off the bike. We're going to let him do his thing. I'm going to close out the video here. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Shout out to Ray C's once again for dynoing this bike. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.